welcome to this video. So in this video we'll be seeing about introduction to JavaScript. Okay, so what is my JavaScript and why we use JavaScript? Okay, first, JavaScript is a scripting language. Okay, what is my scripting language and what is my programming language is basically every scripting language will be running in the interpreter. Okay, so interpreter is basically like a compiler, but it won't be compile the codes. It will actually run as it is in the same format by using the memory and code format. Okay, every variable name will be stored at the memory and every statement will be stored at the code. Okay, this is the interpreter language and also used for programming to compile the data using the many more libraries called React and Angular, Vue, and etc. Okay, you might notice that I have drawn such like model box here, right? So what is it is, why we use JavaScript in our browser is to make our browser much more interactive. Okay, like if I click this button here, that means we have the button here, right? So whenever I click this button, the model need to be appear in my browser at the center of the website. Okay, center of the website. Okay, whenever I click this button, the model will be appear. For the reference I have drawn here, so this model will be appear at this center. Okay, this is done using JavaScript. You can't able to do that using CSS or HTML. HTML is for structuring, CSS is for styling, JavaScript is for scripting purpose. So you can only script the codes using that means inside the in HTML or any languages. Like if you're using in the for mobile application, so if you're developing a mobile application, you also use the JavaScript to make interactive things. So you'll be using the JavaScript to make website more interactive. That's my point. Okay, so first thing is we'll be using for interactive. Okay, JavaScript is for interactive. And first thing, JavaScript is little difficult. That means it is in the easy mode. That means you will be can't understand at the first part, but you will be able to master it easily. Okay, that means it will be at the phase of difficult to easy. Okay, this phase. And last, JavaScript is more popular, so we can use JavaScript for any purposes. Like if I am creating a web application, I can use JavaScript. If I'm creating a desktop application, I can use JavaScript. If you're creating a mobile application also, you can use JavaScript. As well as for games, you can also use JavaScript. So this is called as cross platform. Okay, it has been more popular, so we can use JavaScript anywhere. Okay, this is how JavaScript actually works to make website much more interactive. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will be understood to me. Okay.